Sir Ken Robinson said, "Creativity is the process of having an original thought that has value." And through that lens of seeing creativity, we believe that our algebra program is well suited to asking students to think creatively, to approach problems with their own ideas and their own thoughts. And we think that that is extremely important for all of our students in whatever they do for the rest of their lives. The landscape of the workforce that our students are going to enter is going to change drastically from now until that point, 8, 10 years from now, and particularly over the course of their careers. So we want to prepare our students to be able to solve open-ended questions that they've never seen before. So we believe that it's important with algebra to be a very strong curriculum to prepare students for any STEM field, that they have all of the traditional skills necessary to solve the problems for those fields. But we also believe it's an opportunity for every student to develop in her critical, creative thinking, problem-solving skills.
The emphasis on problem-solving skills adds a new level of rigor that most middle school students have not experienced. We don't always expect that every student will complete every homework problem. We do expect them to try every homework problem. This is a time for them to practice not only the skills they learned in class, but also the skills of how to approach new problems. By the end of the year, the student should be able to solve problems that we've seen before and also be confident when solving new problems.
You factor 63 first. So I did 9 times 7, and then it's 3 and 3. Then you do 7 times 3 times 3. And then this, as Annie was explaining before, like it becomes 1 3. So 3 root 6. That's 6.
All right, good.
Now the beauty of variables is we're doing something with something universal, right? So we can apply a rule to something when we don't even know what the number is, right? So with 196, its square root is exactly 14, and it's just 14, right? But with a y, it could be anything. The y could represent anything, right? But the square root, what do we know about a square root that is sort of restricting?
The SAT is so important because they're not only routine questions, but the SAT has many mathematics questions that require higher level thinking. It's hard to truly prepare for the higher level SAT questions by taking an SAT prep course. Students really need to be able to draw on 3 years of curriculum taught at a high school.
All the STEM fields require that you solve problems correctly, and they all use algebraic skills to do that. So it's very important that our students are able to solve problems with tremendous accuracy so that all of the doors are open to them in the STEM fields of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics.